092 and 095 universal backplates with Opera, Region and Pira lever handles. Our research and development team have been working on the next evolution of our best-selling door furniture. Crafted with precision, our handles are fully CNC machined to ensure consistency in every piece. Made from 316 marine-grade stainless steel, they offer enhanced durability and a lifetime guarantee. Ideal whether you live by the coast, in the inner city, or the rural countryside. Designed to last, they provide lasting peace of mind and are available in 5 premium finishes, making them the perfect addition to any front door. The collection is built in the UK at our coastal workshop. Replaceable custom spring cassettes in each handle gives a reassuringly smooth lever action with every touch. The cylinder cutout features beveled edges, which look great and help protect against water ingress. Opera, a rounded bulb-shaped handle with subtle concentric detailing, classic, comfortable and ideal for period or traditional doors. Region, inspired by the curve of an oar, the Region handle features wave-like lines that feel as elegant as they look. Pira, minimalist and modern, the Pira handles is defined by its clean arc and smooth lines, a quiet showstopper. All handles are now supplied in biodegradable eco packaging, and each one undergoes thorough quality checks to ensure the highest standards. Handles that make an entrance, available to order now.